Living in a big city, I pretty much live in my car. And sometimes you just gotta step on it. That's where Fast and Furious Frigo was born. People say I'm a fast driver. I do have to admit that I sometimes put my heavy foot to the metal. Get it? Heavy metal. You'll have to forgive me. Coming from the Midwest, that's pretty much all you hear. Some country, but a lot of heavy metal. Living out here in this glorious state of California, big city living, you gotta be in your car. Let's go. Hurry up! Hell's taking me so long. Oh, watch out for the bump! Oh, Wilbur. But seriously, on the Fast and Furious tip, I've always wanted to be part of the Fast and Furious franchise. I took a precision driving course out in Camarillo because I wanted to be in the Fast and Furious franchise. I really did. And I wanted to do my own stunts. But now I know that actors can't do their own stunts unless you're Tom Cruise. Yeah! I was the only girl in the class. Don't honk at me! What? That better not have been for me. People just honk randomly. Did you hear that? Anywho. I can't even see. It is so bright and sunny out here in California. Ooh, look at this jack in the hole. What the heck is he doing? Hold on. Jeez, it's so sunny and bright. Can you see me? Jeez. Man. Sunglasses help. Giving LA props. All I got is beef with those that violate me. I shall annihilate me. Case closed, suitcase filled, spending about a week on Venice Beach. I'm going back to Cali. What the hell is that all about? I will sing no more. What the heck? This dude just like stops in the middle of the road, man. Like, really? Hello? Jeez Louise. Jiminy Crickets. Crazy out here sometimes. A white stripe is booty. Ooh, Girl Scout cookies. Ooh, Girl Scout cookies. I'm down 10 pounds. Should I get some Thin Mints and put them in the refrigerator? Freezer? That dude's looking at me. It's like, what the heck? Okay, why? Okay, I just got in from the store, and why, when I'm walking in, is there some crazy dude, like why, like saying crazy stuff? Oh, jeez. Like, dude, no. Definitely, no. You be up on everything, other thing never on it. You made me beg for it. Yeah, you gotta beg for it, yeah. I'm the best, thank you. Said I was the best, thank you. No, but seriously, I'm a good driver. My mom asked me to drive her to the store. So I got in the car and turned on some nice country music. I made sure I made all my stops where I was supposed to make my stops. Drove nice and slow and chill. And when we got back home, my mom was like, "You're a good driver." I'm like, "Thanks, Mom." Man, I remember after that visit, as soon as I left that driveway, it was like, peeled out of there like I saw a ghost. Yeah! My thing, she wear Miss 60K fitting the Gucci, cause what are you backing up for? What the heck, man? And that booty. She was tapping me. Man, she was putting, that car was putting a booty in my face.
Oh, you Trekkies and TV addict. Don't mean to this, don't mean to bring static. Oh, you Klingons and
like, what is this person here doing in the middle of the road with a bike? I don't know. Are we supposed to share the road with the bike people? Maybe so. I mean, I'm a good driver. I mean, sometimes you just gotta talk to the people, you know. Just sometimes I might shout stuff out like I got Tourette's or something, but you know, other than that, I mean, you know, I'm pretty civil normally. Come on! What's going on? Come on! I got stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? Shabba-doo, shabba-dee. Shabba-dee, shabba-doo. One of the best things about the DJs out here is they know how to mix. What's coming in? What are you doing? I'm bugging out. It's better than a ride. It's better than a ride at Disneyland. Hey guys, thanks for joining me on my first episode of Fast and Furious with Frigo. Go ahead and comment in the comments below what you want to see me do. Do you want to see me do a carpool karaoke? Do you want to see me precision drive? It's just a little bit packed on the freeway right now. As you can tell, it's nighttime. It can take you all day to get places. I'll see you next Friday, guys. Have a great weekend. Maybe I'll do a Fast and Furious Frigo on the freeway on a Friday. I love the alliteration. Chapow pow. Till next time, I'm out. Yeah! Ooh, I just went over the curb. Good gushy gushy. Drunk with a dame, shit is drunk. You. Ow! What the hell? Okay, so I just went in the store, and why do these guys like have to say stuff on the way in? Like they just say stuff to you. They're just crazy. Some dude over there just looking at you, smiling all crazy. Dude, what you smiling at? What you smiling at? What you smiling at? Oh, this guy let me go. Thank you. Okay, whatever. Moving on.
Move that thing, mommy, move that thing. Do your thing, let me do my thing. Bump it out. I see some haters drilling. I see some ladies chilling.